What's up, everyone? This is Bill with BLR Tuning. We got an unboxing. We got DynoJet stuff. We got our stuff from Ryker Mod. These are our brackets for the steering stabilizer kit. First box, we got a DynoJet Power Series belt. PV3s for the Can-Am Ryker. Next box, Power Series belts for the Can-Am Ryker. Some claw mounts. These are to hold your PV3. Next box. In this box, we have a PC6 for the Kawasaki Z125 and the wideband WB2. Next box. PC6 for Yamaha MT-07. Okay, all your tuning needs in one spot, blrtuning.co. Go check us out.